People often opt for selling physical products, and for that they need a warehouse, they need a space, dedicated space for their items, whatever they're selling. Sometimes it's feasible, a lot of other times it's not feasible at all for most people, and they need an investment for the inventory management. And I want to introduce you to a new dimension, and it's digital product selling. Digital products are the new thing, and you can sell them on Etsy, Daraz, and other platforms. You can design stickers and you can convert them into a physical form, into physical stickers, and you can sell them on stationery shops and other outlets. You just need zero to start. $0 to start, and you just need an internet and a laptop. And with an internet connection, you can easily design these things and even sell them online. With a digital downloads business, you can work anytime. Fits around classes and exams, especially for students. It fits around classes and exams. First, you have to create them and then you can sell them off and around your exams. You don't need a 9 to 5 job. You can sell them off easily as it fits around classes and exams. You're not obligated to confine to a 9 to 5 routine. You can sell it anytime and as many times as you want. With a digital downloads business, you can earn passively. Sell the same product forever. Obviously, you'll have to keep updating the product, but you can sell it forever. As many times as you want. There's no limit to it because these digital files can be upgraded and updated. And along the way, you will build in demand skills like marketing, design, and e commerce. Marketing, design, and e commerce. You'll need to learn about digital marketing and you'll also have to learn about design. I'm talking about specifically graphic design, and then you'll have to learn about e commerce. For example, selling on Etsy and Daraz. You can also boost your resume with the help of creating a digital downloads portfolio. Every successful project that you complete, you can add that to your portfolio to grab more better clients, long lasting and long paying clients. You can add your entrepreneurial experience to your portfolio, and that will enhance your likability for your employer. You don't need to sell it within Pakistan. You can sell it anywhere around the world. There are a few caveats. For example, you'll need a payment gateway. Some payment gateways are still available in Pakistan. You can apply them and receive international payments. But the one most important thing that you need to understand is that you have to add creativity. There is no bound to creativity. Creativity has no limits. Your imagination has no limits. And you have to create something that no one else in the world is selling. You can do that by utilizing your creativity to the fullest and maximizing your true potential. Add value in the lives of other people and create digital products. They can be checklists, templates, anything. It can be anything that adds an insurmountable value to the lives of entrepreneurs, or you have to select a niche and solve a particular problem for any niche. As I've said earlier, turn notes into income. You can even sell templates, artworks, guides, and code. The sky is the limit when you talk about selling digital products. They need to add a particular value or some problem that is getting viral. For example, the Stanley Cups got viral. They were just catering to a need of drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated. They were just targeting normal people and they got viral because some celebrities also started carrying those mugs alongside with them. So you have to cater to needs or viral trends and design digital products around these scenarios and themes. And then you can test ideas fast, launch, learn, and improve quickly. You don't need to stick to selling one type of digital product. If that digital product is not selling, then you can shift, and there's no cost associated with creating these digital products. You just have to use your creativity and you can come up with a new digital product that is in demand. If something is not selling, then you can replace that with something that is selling, that will sell eventually. As I've also said earlier, that you can pay for school and you can earn without a 9 to 5. A 9 to 5 job confines you in so many ways. You don't have free time. All you have to think is about the organization and the benefit of the organization. You cannot think of anything else other than that. Your passion projects are sidelined because of your 9 to 5. But with digital downloads, that's not the case. So you need to become future ready. These digital downloads are the future. And master the digital creator economy. How big is the creator economy? Let's search for how big is the creator economy. Each year, the market is becoming larger and more varied. So, as you can see, the creator economy is valued at over 191 billion. By 2030, the creator economy is expected to surpass 525 billion. On average, merchandise companies make over 500 million annual revenue. You can even sell your digital products on Shopify. Shopify is the top company by revenue, 5.2 billion, supporting the creator economy. And North America is the largest creator economy market share, 40%, around 40%. So this was my brief presentation around selling digital products in Pakistan. Get a payment gateway like PayPro. You need 50,000 rupees and an NTN registration number that will allow you to receive international payments. If there are any other questions that you have in your mind, then you can comment below and I'll try and answer them for you. My answers would be research based or research backed, and I'll try and properly research the answers for you. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day.